How to find the yarn end in the center of a ball of yarn.
Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can find the center of your ball of yarn. First thing you're going to do is find the outside yarn. Just unravel a bit of it and then wind it around the center of the ball. And then tuck that in so that it doesn't get tangled with the other one. So now you're going to go in from each end here, and on these large balls it's fairly easy to find the center. So I'm going to place my fingers right down in the center of that hole like that, and on this side I'll do the same thing. Just follow that down as far as you can. And now when your hands kind of meet in the center, you're just going to pull out a section, and I found it. So now I'm going to wind it up to the beginning of the yarn, and if you're going to start working with it right away, then fine, you can use it like that. And if not, you're going to start at this end, just leave a little bit over, and then wind this up around your hand, and there's the end. Now you can slide that off your fingers, and you can just tuck that inside like that. And now you can go ahead and use your yarn. If you're working with a smaller ball, it'll be the same way. Wind your yarn around the outside of the ball, and then you're going to find the center, and you're going to follow it in as far as you can, and keep checking for the center. It's usually fairly easy to follow. So that's still my center. So I'm going to go to the other side, and again follow down. And you can see there where that's the center. Right in there. Just keep opening it up and place your finger down in the center. So now I've got it as far as I can go. So I'm going to wiggle my finger and my thumb down. And on this side as well, I'll find my way down to the center. And then when I get my fingers fairly close, I can pull out a chunk of yarn like that, and then unwind it. Sometimes you can find it right away. There it is. Tuck that back in if you're not going to use it all right away, and there you go. There's the end of your yarn. There you go. I hope that helps you find the center of your ball of yarn so you can do the center pull. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.